So if you're in the voice AI space and you're looking for a quick way to spin up demos for potential clients, I'm going to show you how to do just that with Trillet's platform. First, we're going to come right here in the Flow Studio, go to Call Flows, and we're going to go and create a new flow. And we're going to pick Create from a Business. You click that, and it's looking for a website. So I have a website of a company that I ran into this weekend. It's called Ohana Garage Doors. And we're going to use that for an example right now. So I'm going to paste their site right there and click the button, Look Up Business. It's going to go and take a look and see if their site actually shows up. It does. Is this the site we're looking for? Yes, it is. So we're going to continue to the voice selection. Click that. And there's voices that we can choose from here. There's so many more voices once the system actually creates the agent. So we're just going to generate the flow and let it use the voice that's pre-selected. And while it's doing this, what's happening is the platform is going out and scraping that website, grabbing all of the information, and it's going to create us an agent right off the bat. And in that agent, it's going to also create the knowledge base with all the information from the site built into the agent, so the agent's ready to go. So as this runs, it generally runs maybe 60 seconds to maybe 2 minutes, depending on how much information is on the website. But this is just another reason why I love using the Trillet platform, because what they've done is they've minimized the tech friction that is that most agency owners go through trying to build these agents and deploy them, so that you can focus more on the business side of your agency business. So while this is running, let's see, it should be done fairly soon. Generally, they don't take too long. But again, that's one of the major things that I like about this platform. And I'll show you in some other videos some of the other cool features that allow you to maximize the use of your agent without having to be a full stack developer, right? The average everyday person can come in here and build an agent, build a very solid agent. Now, if you want to get into the tech weeds, you still can. You're not limited on this platform. It is a voice-first platform, but it's made with ease of deployment for all of your agents. So it's a great platform to use if you're an agency looking to develop and deploy voice agents for your clients. So again, while this is waiting, it's scraping, it's doing its thing. And I'm going to show you some other features in some other videos, like post-call emails, post-call SMS. What else can we show you? Call transfers, connect a calendar for booking, all of those things, and show you how easy it is to do on this platform. And once we get this agent created, I'm going to also show you how we can adjust which LLM it uses for the voice side of it, as well as some of the different voices that it has to offer. All right, so now we have our agent. We can click here on the knowledge base and see that the knowledge base is very well organized: business identity, hours and scheduling, service and offerings, pricing and payment, intake questions is very important, and other details. So as you can see, as you go through here, you don't have to be a full stack developer to figure these things out, right? It's very well organized. Basic information pulled right off the website in all of these sections. Now, one of the most important things are the intake questions, right? So it automatically creates some intake questions for the agent to ask the user for lead qualification. Now you can delete these questions, you can grab and move the order of these questions, you can add your own questions, whatever it is you want to do. So generally, when I create these quick demos, these agents for a demo, I go through this and just make sure it makes sense for the business. And generally it does. So I'm not going to make any changes right now. Now, some of the other things you do when you click into the agent, I'm not going to get deep into the agent development on this video. I will do that in another video. But one thing I really like to do for demos is utilize the latest Grok speech-to-speech. It's amazing, especially the latency. And so I'm going to show that to you in a few minutes, right? So we're going to click Grok real time. She has a decent voice, so I'm just going to use her right quick. Hit next. And then I'm going to save this flow. Like I said, there's so many other settings that we can utilize, dig into here, but not for this video. I just wanted to show you how quickly we can go from website to demo. Now that I've saved this flow, there's a function within Trillet to share the demo. This is it's a great feature. You know how many people are out here trying to create agents and share a demo, and they have to do so many things to jump through hoops to get a quick demo out to a user. I love this option here. You literally just click the button, turn on demo sharing, and it creates a branded link just for you to share. You can choose the length of time that the link is active. Let's just choose 7 days, and we're going to copy that. Make sure you save the flow. Then we're going to just paste it in here. So you can actually send a text message with the link, send it off in an email to your potential client, whatever you need to do. It's branded with my brand along with the name of that company, so they feel like it's custom to them, which it is, right? And so now we're going to use this demo.
Thank you for calling Ohana Garage Door Repair. How can I help you today?
Yes, I was looking to get a quote to get something fixed on my garage.
Okay, got it. Let me grab a couple details so one of our techs can give you a proper quote when they call back. What type of issue are you seeing with the garage door?
It just makes a lot of noise when it goes up and down.
All right, noisy operation. That could be a few things. Is this an emergency where it's not working right now? Or can we set something up for later?
No, you can set it up later. It's not an emergency.
Good to know. What's the full address where the garage is?
1234 Main Street.
Got it. 1234 Main Street. And your name?
Robert.
Thanks, Robert. Is the number you're calling from the best way to reach you?
Yes, it is.
Perfect. Let me pass this along to the team. They'll call you back today or tomorrow with a quote for that noisy door. Anything else I can help with?
No, that's all. Thanks.
All right. Take care.
So as you can see, that's a quick and easy way to spin up a demo, ship it off to the customer, and get some feedback really quick. All right. So if you got any other questions about how that works, let me know in the comments, and I will see you next time.